Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. I'm over here in the parking lot and it's dark as heck back here, y'all. I think one of these lights are out or something. Something's going on over here. It's super dark. I think there used to be a light over here somewhere or something on the side of this building. But anyhow, we're out here with this little guy right here. I got the BMJ20, and so this little plane. There's a funny story on how I actually got it, or how I almost didn't get it. This thing was ordered, and it took a long time. I actually ordered this before the tariffs went into play. And so I didn't have to experience the high tariffs to buy this little plane. And then Trump did the thing with the tariffs, and so this little plane became like $100 more to get from AliExpress. And so I was waiting for this to come, and it came, but it got delivered to the wrong address. And so I thought I was never going to get this plane because they were going to give me a refund. And I was really unhappy with that because I knew I wasn't going to be able to get it again for the same price that I got it for. But things worked out because some good Samaritan, whoever this was delivered to, they brought it back to me. They put it back on my doorstep, and I ended up getting it like 3 or 4 days later. And so a good story. And now I have this thing. Really happy to have it. Hopefully it flies as well as my favorite, the BMF22. It is on the same protocol and all, which is why I brought this thing out to see how it flies and all with this first. I'll have a, it's funny that I'm doing the maiden flight. I know I shouldn't do the maiden flight with multi-protocol transmitter, but I just couldn't help it, y'all. I just wanted to come out here and fly it with my Boxer. I already had everything set up for it, and so I figured why not. I'll take it out to the field and fly it with the stock transmitter for y'all, so y'all can see how it is with the stock transmitter. But right now I'm about to have fun with my Boxer and fly this little craft. It does have lights on the rear and all. This one has some plastic work right here on the exhaust, so does have some aesthetics that the BMF22 doesn't have, but the BMF22 is a little larger. But let's get this guy up in the air. Let me stop running my mouth about it. But one last thing I did want to say, I saw my guy from Ground Control RC. He was flying the XK Beach biplane, and he was saying that he couldn't bind it to his multi-protocol transmitter because they switched the protocol. It used to be the 911S protocol, but now it's not. And I just wanted to say that I have that same aircraft. I had it for a while now, just didn't get a chance to get it out here and fly it because it was raining and all sorts of different things. But mine is on a different protocol too, and I was still able to bind it to the Boxer though. It's on the XK2 protocol. There's a protocol in there that says XK2, and the sub protocol is X4. So I just wanted to let him know that if you're watching this, that's what the protocol is. You can fly it with your T16S. But let me get this guy up in the air real quick. Let's turn this little guy on. We're gonna try to take off from the ground. Yep, it's bound. The light is off. Let me see. Okay, so there's the light right there. Check out the blue light in the rear. I wanted to keep that on. Let's get it in the air. Ah! Hopefully he didn't take any damage. I can't even see it out here. Sheesh. And one thing I can say, it doesn't have as much turn authority. I think I'm gonna have to hand launch this thing before I kill it. This nose has been saving me. So let's take off with it. So it doesn't look like it glides as well as the BMF22, because it did try to go backwards a little. I was trying to glide it. Not a bad flyer though. Let's see if I can slow it down. Slow it down a little. Oh, almost hit the tree. So it's not bad. There's a nice high alpha. Yeah, if I can get it to flip. Yep. I'm not going to fly it in manual too much here. I'll save that for the park. Didn't want to take off from the ground. See if you can turn it around and land it. These models are easy to land. You can just high alpha with them. Okay, you want to have a little authority now. Oh, it's not letting me turn one direction though. It's easy to turn in one direction, not the other. I was going to try to take off from the ground again, but it doesn't look like it wants to turn the other way, so. Let's go for a loop. That was a manual mode loop. Try one more. Not exactly what I was trying to do. Maybe I'm giving it too much elevator. Yeah, it doesn't glide. It's tail heavy. Whenever I come off the throttle and attempt to glide, the tail falls down, so it's very tail heavy. So I gotta see what I can do about it being so tail heavy like that. Maybe add a larger battery up front, but for the most part it's a nice flyer though. Just needs to be balanced out a little more. This might be a nice enough airframe to do some of the things that it's already doing some of the things that the BMF22 is doing, but maybe it can do more with this balance fixed on it. The BMJ20 Yellow Edition. Thanks for watching.